It is with profound sadness that we announce the death of our beloved daughter, granddaughter, niece and friend, Pearl Dashun George of Laborie, who passed away on Sunday, May 8, 2016 at St. Jude Hospital. She was 37 years old. Left to mourn her mother, Ferrier George, also known as Mama Tilly of Laborie, father, Thaddeus Lura of Laborie, stepfather, Theodulus Maffre of Laborie, grandmother, Doris Cecil Lura of Laborie, sisters, Delphina George in Martinique, Phoebe Maffre of Laborie, Shanta Flora in Martinique, Nadine Alexander in France, Thadora, Tadia, Taddy Clement, and Tadisha Brandis of Soufrière, Gina of Auger, Kale Laura of Bellevue, VA4. Brothers Del George and Theo Maffre of Laborie, Travis and Trevor St. Amy, Reeves and Kim Wilson, Kim Thomas of Laborie, Shordius and Chris Clement and Thaddeus Brandis of Soufrière, Enoch Philip of Choiseul, Dwight and Jamel Laura of Tetmorn, uncles Babylon Felix and family of Laborie, Haribert Felix and family of Choiseul, Winifred Romance Laura and family of Jacmel, aunts Velma Laura and family of Laborie, Uma Francis and family residing in Black Bay, Lovina and Shern Laura residing in the UK, Sienna Laura of Laborie, Lucia Johnny residing at Pave Road, Castries, Marcia Maffre and family residing in Black Bay, nieces, nephews, and cousins both here and abroad, including Cameron, Nadell, and Cassius Law, Esby, Esther, and Lincoln Francis, her godfathers, Chris Fred and Hilario Collymore of Laborie, close friend, Jean-François of Laborie, other friends, Kennedy Francis residing in Black Bay, Amiley and Grace, Beth and Kurt, Tony and Jennifer, Peggy and Jay, Lincoln and Capri, Tony and Jen, all residing in Minnesota, Francis Paul and family, Frances Barthelmy, Jennifer Chigo and family, Saturina Louise and family, Lance Dasheville and family, Arlette Alphonse and family, Eudra Chigo and family, Maureen St. Bryce and family, Yves Renard, Augustine Dominic and family, Christopher Chigo and family, Edmund Bicard, Venta Leonce, Anastasia, Eugenius, Patsy Thomas, all of Laborie, the Donatier family of Cedar Heights, Father Stephen Quinland, Jonelle Marsley of the Laborie Police Station, First Communion Group of 1986, Delicia and family of Timon Babono, Alexis and crew of Castries, Jerry Phillip residing in the USA, Simon Placid residing in New York, Kenny and friends in Trinidad, Zoo and Joyce Louis and family in Canada, Fishermen of Laborie, Bay Street Boys, Alice and the Boys Sports Club of Laborie, friends from Martinique. Also left to mourn the Rosary family of Barnes Laborie, the Lura family of Laborie and abroad, the Isidore family of Laborie, other relatives and friends, and the entire Laborie community. The celebration of the life of Pearl Dashun George will be held at the Purification of the Blessed Virgin Mary Church in Laborie on Wednesday, May 25, 2016 at 3 p.m., after which the body will be laid to rest at the Latouny Cemetery. Please note the family kindly asks persons attending the service to wear a touch of blue, red, and or yellow. The body now lies at Rambelli's Funeral Parlor, Latouny, VA4.